Hi guys, how are you? Oh shoot, I didn't plug in my mic. Oh my god. Okay, take two. Hi guys, how are you? My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, obviously you clicked on the title, you clicked on the video, you know what I'm going to talk about. We're going to talk about the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I picked up 3 shades. So I have them here. And this is what they look like. Pretty. So these retail for $6, which I think is a great deal. You get, timestamps will be down below. You get 10 grams of product in here. $6, that's not bad. They released, I think, shoot, I don't remember how many shades. I don't know if it was 15. 15 sounds like a lot. They released a lot of shades, and what I saw when I was looking at the bronzers that I ended up getting, they have shades for the fairest of fair to the deepest of deep. So kudos to e.l.f. for doing that. I think that's amazing. They had a color for everybody. Okay, perfect, amazing. I mean, I feel like it's for the richest of rich skin tones. I show you, I got the second to darkest color, and it's pretty dark. So I'm hoping, you know, if you are a rich deep skin tone person, let me know if it works out for you, because I'm curious. But it looked like it covered a nice range of people, and I was impressed to see that they had something for somebody who was like porcelain. Amazing. It was very cool tone, but still pretty. What I see here too, looking at their shades, is they have colors that are a little bit cool tone and some that are, you know, for like a bronzer. So I think that's good. And they don't really lean orange. At least the ones I got don't lean orange. And that makes me so happy, because too many times with bronzers, they're either orange or they're red. You know, it's hard sometimes to find something that's like a true golden undertone. But I think they did an amazing job. So I'm happy about that. Okay, so these do dry down to like a kind of like a matte finish, semi-matte finished. Let me read to you what it says here. Say hello to Sunkissed skin. This putty to powder bronzer blends seamlessly into the skin and leaves the complexion looking bronzed and beautiful. Infused with argan oil, vitamin E, this non-greasy buildable formula transforms from a cream to a semi-matte powder to give you the perfect natural bronze or soft contour for the perfect sun-kissed glow. I did play with these. I did use these yesterday. It does, like when you swatch it and you kind of blend it out, you could feel like right away it has like, I don't know if it's silica? Yeah, it's silica. Okay, which is the same thing that's in that Chanel bronzer. And yes, if I have a shade here, I will compare it to the Chanel bronzer for sure. Just letting you guys know. Alright, pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to show you the shades that I got. I'm going to insert my reel as well, because I swatched them for my reel, but like they just look so perfect. Like I was like, I don't want to touch it because it was so like smooth. But just so you guys can see it too, you know, I want you to see what it looks like when you first open it. But these are the shades I got. The lightest one is called Bronzed Belle. This is what it looks like. Hopefully, it's hard to tell if it's in focus. I hope it's in focus. If not, you'll definitely see it up close. Bronze Belle is the lightest shade that I got. Then I got Sunkissed. Now, I picked these colors off of what it looked like in the box, because now they actually have swatches. So don't come for me and ask me why I got such dark shades. I didn't know they were going to be that dark. And the last one is called Beach Please. This one's a deep one. This one is like, it's deep, it's rich. It's probably going to do decent for contouring, but we're going to see. So let's cut into swatches, and then we're going to come back, and I guess we're just going to apply it. I also had picked up in a previous order the e.l.f. Putty Brush is good. It's good. Okay, swatches. Alright, so I have here the new Putty Bronzers. I'm going to swatch them. I'm going to start off with, hold on, the names are over here. Bronze the Belle first. This is what they look like now after being used. You saw how pretty they were first. So super creamy, and then that's what it looks like. But then when you swatch it, it does, you know, it does dry down pretty quick, or it gives you that nice semi-matte kind of finish. That's a Bronze Belle. This is Sunkissed. This is my favorite out of the three. Well, because it works the best out of the three on my skin tone. It's got a nice, like, it's got the right amount of like brown in it. It's not red, it's not orange. I'm sorry, that's like a piece of cotton I had on my hand. It's not the bronzer. And last but not least, Beach Please. This is a nice deep rich tone. So there you have it. Bronzed Belle, Sunkissed, and Beach Please. Alright, so you see the swatches. Like I said, the colors do look a little intimidating in the container themselves, but when you do swatch it out and you kind of like blend it, it's a little bit softer. It's not as like deep. I'm sure you can build it up, but yeah, because when I opened these, I was like, oh my god, I'm like, these are really dark. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. And with e.l.f. you can't return it, like when you order from their website. At least that's from what I remember. So if you get it from like Ulta, definitely get it from Ulta. If you don't have the right shade, you can always exchange it, return it, whatever. Yeah, okay. Let's try these out. So, I haven't used the dark one on me yet. But I'm curious to see, yeah, I'm going to see how I'm going to work this. Okay, let's try Bronze Belle first. I'm going to do this on this side of my face. Oh yeah, we're just going to go for it, guys. I'm going to take the e.l.f. putty brush, which is nice because it definitely diffuses the color very good. So I'm going to take it and start applying it to my cheek. That's a really pretty color. That's a nice, like, natural kind of bronzer for somebody of my skin tone. Again, this is Bronzed Belle. The color builds up really nice. It is very blendable. What do you guys think? I mean, I could see it. Like, I have a mirror in front of me now, and then I can also see it on the viewfinder. But I think it's very, very nice. I'm going to jump ahead to Beach Please on this side. I'm so curious to see how this is going to look on me. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm thinking it's going to be a dark contour color for me. I don't know. But when I swatched it on my hand, it sheared out a decent amount, so we're just gonna go for it. I mean, it's not terrible. Hang on, let me build the brush up a little bit more. Okay. Alright, so here's what I'm saying with the Beach Please. It's definitely too dark for me, and when I'm putting it on like my forehead, it's almost turning like a little bit gray on me because the undertone just doesn't really like work with me very well. It's not terrible, but again, I am using a dual fiber. I'm gonna try my small stippling brush. That one has a tendency to pick up a little bit more. Yeah, this would be good for somebody who's like a deeper skin tone than I am. I think you'll definitely get like some definition. I mean, can I make it work? Yes, I can sheer it out and I can absolutely make this work for me, but it's not the right color for me. And I can see that because here, if you can see, it looks, something's off, like it's a little bit too gray on me. So that doesn't work for me, which sucks because now I'm kind of stuck with this one. But and then I have the color Sunkissed. So that I'm actually going to go over top what I just did. And I'm going to take these small, the Putty blush brush. I'm going to take that. This one looks better. This is in the shade Sunkissed. I'll do it on this side so you can see. So see now here when I put on this part of my forehead, it's not gray anymore like the other side was. So that's what happens when you get the wrong bronzer undertone. You'll know right away because it'll either turn gray, it'll turn red, or it'll be too orange. So Sunkissed for my skin tone definitely gives me a really nice like bronzy glow, like if I was outside. I did have these on yesterday for a few hours and they lasted, it was pretty warm yesterday too, they lasted all day, and it does stay to like a true semi-matte kind of finish. Now for somebody who likes their makeup dewy all the time, it's good to kind of throw in a little bit of semi-matte with your makeup because then it kind of balances it. When I am too dewy, I have a tendency to look a little bit oily, so just like a tip. You know, if you're like me and you do like a glowy foundation, it's good to have like a matte bronzer sometimes because it just creates balance. Okay. Nice sun-kissed look. Let me just add a little bit of that bronzed Belle on my cheek. I gotta do a comparison, but this one, the Bronze Belle, is reminding me of that Chanel bronzer. So yes, keep your eyes open for that comparison because I will be doing it. I like these. These are nice. A little bit goes a long way. They're pretty pigmented. Obviously, if you use a brush that's not a dual fiber, you're gonna get more color payoff. But I like to work in layers, and I like to do. I like to work in layers, and I like to do them like a thinner application versus a heavy one. Alright, let's go to natural light so you can see what's going on. So I am in natural light. You can see that it does bronze me up nicely. This color looks a little bit off because it has the deeper color in it and it's not a good undertone for me. But this side is better. Alright, so hopefully you were able to see that a little bit better. It's like, it's sunny, but now the sun, because we're in summer, it just sits differently. I don't get like that bright light like I usually do around this time. But I think here you could see it a little bit better. So now, I personally, out of the three colors, for somebody my skin tone, I really like the Sunkissed one, which is the second one that I ended up putting like up here. That's my favorite one out of the three. The Beach Please it's too dark for me. It's not going to work, but it's still a great color if you're deeper, tan, rich skin tone. Bronze Belle is probably a better match for me maybe in the winter versus now because I do have color. Like I've gone up since the winter, I've gone up at least a shade or two in foundation. So still pretty color. As far as the formula goes, I'd say it's easy to work with. It blends out really nice. It's buildable. It's affordable, and I think it's good. I like it. For me, it stayed on for a few hours yesterday. I do like what it brings to my like makeup routine because, like I said, I like glowy foundation. but when I'm glowy everywhere, I know it doesn't make sense sometimes. And now, side note, especially having this camera, I noticed that I have to powder a little bit more. So yeah, so you know, just to kind of create a balance. But I think these are good. I think these are a great bronzer option. And if you like cream bronzers too, definitely worth checking out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye.